A man goes into a pet store and asks about the three parrots for sale. The shopkeep says we have one that is $500, one that is $1,000, and the third one is $2,000. The man says, "Why is that parrot cost $500?" The shopkeep says, "This parrot knows how to make you coffee." The man says, "Why is this parrot cost $1,000? This parrot knows how to use a computer." Then the man says, "So the one that costs $2,000 can do even more than the other two?" The shopkeep says, "No, this parrot I've never seen it do anything, but the other two call it boss."